Example that I have a database over here with the name in which I have a table that is select star from EMP. I have an employee table containing 253 records over here. Okay. Now, when I said select star from EMP, it is bringing all the data from the respective table. Let's say I want to get the data only for the Noida employees. So what I am doing, I am putting a condition for SQL. When I say select star from EMP, I am telling SQL that bring all the data from the employee table. However, when we are saying uh, we wanted to get only the details of the Noida employees, so we have to apply a clause, and here we have a where clause, where city equals Noida, execute. And you can see I'm getting 36 records of Noida employees over here. Understood? So this is the where clause. Very important clause. You can give it any like, you can say select star from EMP where EID is equal to 1015. Here it is, Abhishek Sharma. So I'm from that 253 records, I have asked SQL to bring a particular record where the employee ID is equal to 1015. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
My dear, if you really wanted to get an interactive session, you have to be prompt in responding. Okay? Do you want an interactive, or I can go in a flow, whatever you feel like? If you want interactive, you have to respond.
Interactive would be better.
So please do respond. Right? I also think that interactive is better, but keep respond, ask question, most welcome, but respond. Okay? Right. So this was the where clause, the very important clause. The next clause which we have over here is the like clause. This like clause is used for the pattern matching. This is used for the pattern matching, and for creating a pattern, it has given us two operators which are percentage and underscore, where percentage represents any number of characters and underscore represents a single character. Right? Now, how do we do that? Let's say I want to get the list of the employees whose name starts with A. So I can say select star from EMP where name like. Now, as I said, character will always be enclosed within the code. So what I am saying, the name should start with A and followed by anything. So whenever you have to say anything, you can use percentage. And now see. So we have 54 employees whose name starts with A. Is that clear? Like A. Let's take another example. I want to get the list of all those employees whose last name is, let's say, Sharma. So I can say select star from EMP where name like. Now, any guesses what should I write? The last name should be Sharma.
Percentage
Sharma.
Percentage Sharma. Right. So I can say percentage, which means it could start with anything, but should end with Sharma. So we have 38 Sharmas with us. Got it?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now, let's say I want to get the list of the employees whose name is of 5 characters. So I can say select star from EMP where name like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 underscore, because underscore represents a single character. So you can see there are two employees, David and Annual, whose name is of 5 characters.
And so this will be case sensitive.
SQL is nowhere case sensitive. It is a case insensitive language.
So if we give Sharma in lowercase, it will still show the same number of records.
100%, yes. SQL is not a case sensitive language. It is case insensitive. Okay. Okay, so like this, there could be many number of patterns. So we will be taking more examples later. Right, so this was the like clause. Then we have the top clause. Once again, if I say select star from EMP, what do you see? It will bring all the data from the respective table. But rather than getting all the data, I have to get some selective data. Okay, so I can say select star. Let's say rather than getting all the data, I want to get the first 10 records. So I can say select top 10 asterisk from EMP. So I'm getting only the first 10 record. Remember, top does not mean any sort of a ranking. Top simply means first. Top simply means first. So I can say select top 3 name from EMP. So these are the first 3 names. Once again, I'm repeating, top does not mean any sort of ranking. Clear?
Clear,
Clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So this was the top clause over here. We have many other clauses which we will be talking slightly later. Now, here we will be talking about some more commands. So the first command which is coming up over here is the update command. Can you tell me the update is a part of which category?
Structural.
DML.
DML.
DML, data manipulation language. Absolutely. That is, it will be used to impact the data and not the only the data and not the structure. So let's do it. And for which, once again, I will like to go to the database which I created for you. What was the name? 52 I created for you.
52
52.
in continuation.
Learn 52 and select star from STU. Right, this is the table which we have created yesterday, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to change the age of RAM, let's say to 12. Okay, I want to make the age of RAM as 12. So I can say update. I want to make the changes to the data. That is why I'm using the command that is update. Update the table name, that is STU. Set the column name, that is age, equals the value, which is 12, where let's say roll number equals 3. Execute. One row affected. Now you say select star from STU, and here it goes. You can see the age of RAM has been changed to 12. The syntax is very simple. It says update table name. Okay, update table name. Set is a keyword to assign a value. So set the name of the column, that is age, equals to the value. Now which one? Where roll number is equal to 3. So for this particular record, change the age to 12. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one
Okay.
question.
Yes.
Sir, in this case, the reference column is row number 1. Like where
Which column
roll
is?
from after where we have mentioned row
Yes.
number as the index. Is it necessary
Yes.
to have that only index, or we can mention where name is Ram?
We can mention that also.
Okay.
We can anything. We just have to specify which particular record. Now you specify it on the basis of name, roll number, or anything else. It is up to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let's take one more example. If I say,
Hello.
hmm,
Sir, I have a question. Like in the set age statement, suppose we have not provided the where clause. So it would set 12 to the
that is
whole
what I am
table.
giving.
Okay.
That is what I am giving. Right? Update table name, set column name equals to value. I am not providing the where clause. What do you think?
All of
Will
the
it be an error or it will work?
all will be changed to 13, I guess.
Absolutely correct. All the records will be impacted because we have not told SQL which particular record we wanted to work with. So if we will not tell, it will impact all the records. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So this was the update command part of DML, which is used to make the changes to the data. Let's see what comes next. The next command is the delete command. Delete is a part of which category? Tell me.
DML, same also.
DML, data manipulation. That means
It's for
it
the
will
data.
not impact the structure.
Data will be
It
changed.
will not
Structure will
impact the
change.
structure. It will only impact the data. So let me say delete from the table name where say roll number equals 4. Execute. One row affected. Let us check. The record has been deleted. And once deleted means deleted, you can never get it back. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, this delete command, so delete from table name where condition. You can also write it like this. Delete table name where roll number equals 3 for an example. Execute. One row affected. Check. The record has been deleted. So either you write delete from table name or you write delete table name. It is one and the same thing. Okay? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. However, if I simply write delete from STU and I do not specify a where clause, what will happen now?
The entire table might be deleted. Total will be deleted.
What will be deleted?
All records.
Total entire table. Entire table will be.
Table or records?
Records.
Records. 2 rows affected and here it goes. All the records has been deleted and once deleted means deleted, we can never get it back. Okay. So to give you the further example, I need to insert the record once again. I will say insert into SVU values. Right? So I have inserted the records once again. So deleted means deleted. Now supposingly I write the command delete STU. Now tell me what will happen if I execute this command.
The table will get deleted.
Table will get deleted. Let us see that. 4 rows affected. Okay. 4 rows affected. Let us check. Select star from STU. Here it goes. The table is very much over there. Only the record has been deleted. Why? Because delete is a part of DML. It can never impact the data. Sorry, it can never
Structure.
impact the structure. It will always impact the data. Point number 1. Point number 2, just few minutes back, I told you that while writing the delete from is optional. You may write delete from table name or you write delete table name. It is one and the same thing. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now again, once deleted means deleted. I can never get it back. So I am inserting the records once again. So do not think that I am getting it back. I am reinserting. Few people are saying something on the chat. Let's see. Okay, right. Here it goes. Okay, so this was the delete command. Let's see what comes next. The next command which comes up over here is the alter command. Alter is a part of which category?
Structure.
Structure.
DDL.
DDL, data definition language. Now just look at this table. What structural change can you expect over here? What structural change we can do in this table? So it could be either I can add a new column, or I can remove an existing column, or I can make the attribute changes of a particular column. Okay, so let's do it over here. So I can say alter table. I'm trying to add a column called class. Let's add a column called class. So alter table name, add class char, let's say 5. Execute. Command completed successfully and see. So you can see a new column has been added over here with the name class. Correct? So alter table name, add the name of the column, data type and size. Is this point clear?
Clear, sir.
Now tell me, if I want to make the class of all the students as 7th, I want to make the class of all the students as 7th, which command I will be using?
Update.
Very good. Update. Update table name, set column name equals value. Okay. So do I need to provide
This should be okay,
do
sir.
I need to provide a where clause?
No, sir.
No, I don't need to, because I need to impact all the records. 4 rows affected. Check. Here it is. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. While sharing the assignment, somebody has forgotten to add the city. So this is how now you can add. Who was that?
Me, sir, abroad.
Abrar. So now you got the answer how the city will be added.
Yes, sir, update.
Right. So you can add it like this. Okay. Then now let's say I wanted to remove this column called class. So again, alter table name, drop column class. Execute. Command completed successfully. Let us check. And the column has been removed. Once removed means removed. You can never get it back. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Perfect.
Clear.
So alter table name, drop. right? So drop is removing. Now let's try to insert one more record into this table. Right, I'm adding this record over here and I'm getting an error. Can
Only
anybody
5
tell
characters are
me?
given.
Huh?
5 is given, sir.
Yes, absolutely correct. Why? Because we have taken the size as 5. The default size, the size which we have taken is 5, and now we are giving the name of longer than the size. So what I have to do? I have to make the changes to it. So again, alter table, table name, alter column name, varchar 20. Execute. Command completed successfully. Now let's try to insert this record. The record has been inserted and here it's good. So what I have done, I have changed the data type and size of the respective column. The attributes, the properties. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Perfect. Right. Here it goes. So this is the 3 things that can be done, like add, drop, and alter. Either we can add a column, we can remove a column, or we can make an attribute changes of the particular column. Okay. Let's see the next command. The next command which is coming up over here is a drop command. Very, very powerful command. Now, let's say I write a command called drop table SQ2. Execute. Command completed successfully. Now you say select star from STU, invalid object name. STU does not exist. STU does not exist. The table has been dropped, destroyed, finished.
Total structure has been deleted.
That, yes, the table may be having thousands of records. One command destroyed everything and you can never get it back. And supposingly, if I write the command drop database learn 52, now what will happen? Tell me. According to you, what should happen?
Database will
Data is only deleted.
Database will be deleted.
We are getting an error over here. Why? Because we are currently sitting in learn 52. Okay. So you cannot remove the database in which you are sitting. So let me go to some another database, use test for an example. Now I am in a test database, right? I can say drop database. Here it is. Now I will say use learn 52 execute. Does not exist. The database has been destroyed, finished. So your database may be having hundreds of tables. Those hundreds of tables can be having thousands of records. 3 words has destroyed everything, finished. So very, very deadly command. You can call it as an atom bomb. So in the real-time scenario, very less number of people have the right to use this particular command. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Right? So now in order to give you the further example, I need to redo the thing. So I need to create the database. Create database learn 52. So I'm again creating the database. I am getting inside the database. Let me create the table. Table created. Let me insert the records into the table. Record inserted. And here's the table. Right. So I have done everything again. Okay. Here it goes. Now. So this was the drop command. The next command which comes up over here is truncate. Now, what is the meaning, worldly meaning of truncate? Truncate means to empty, to empty. Now, let me use this command. So I will say truncate table STU. Oops. Command completed successfully. Now you say what is the observation? The truncate command is behaving like which command?
Delete.
Delete.
Absolutely correct. It is just behaving like delete. So it has deleted all the records from the table. And once deleted means deleted, we can never get it back. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So to give you the further example, I have to insert the records once again. So I inserted the records again. Now truncate, as you see, it works just like delete. So if it works like delete, what is the difference between truncate and delete? So let me say truncate table STU where the roll number is equal to, for an example, 5. Execute. I am getting an error over here. Why? Because truncate does not accept where clause. That means truncate cannot selectively delete the record. It cannot selectively delete the record. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here you can say delete from STU where roll number. It's gone. See. So the difference between truncate and delete, truncate will delete all the records, but delete can selectively delete the record. Okay. In other words, truncate does not accept where clause, however, delete does. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this was the truncate command. The next command which comes up over here is commit and rollback. But currently, I will not be able to tell you much about these commands. The only thing which I can tell you over here is commit means to save and rollback means to undo. Commit, save, rollback, undo. We will be talking in details about these commands when we will be working with transactions. Okay.